Avoid these common health mistakes for a better life. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an important topic that affects all of us, regardless of how healthy we think we are. Yes, you guessed it right. We're going to talk about everyday mistakes even healthy people make. These are small errors that can impact our well-being over time. Let's break them down so you can avoid them and maintain your health at its peak. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you find our content helpful. 1. Not hydrating adequately. One of the most common mistakes is not drinking enough water. Hydration is key to maintaining your body's functions, including digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. Many of us mistake thirst for hunger or simply forget to drink water throughout the day. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day and listen to your body's thirst cues. 2. Overlooking sleep importance. Even if you're eating right and exercising, neglecting your sleep can undo all your hard work. Lack of sleep affects your mood, productivity, and even your metabolism. It's crucial to prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to let your body rest and recover. 3. Skipping meals. Some believe that skipping meals, especially breakfast, can help with weight loss or time management. However, this habit can actually lead to overeating later in the day, slowed metabolism, and decreased energy levels. It's important to have regular balanced meals to keep your body nourished and your energy levels stable. 4. Ignoring mental health. Physical health often takes the spotlight, leaving mental health in the shadows. Stress, anxiety, and depression can take a significant toll on your physical well-being if left unaddressed. Incorporating stress reduction techniques, such as meditation, yoga, or even short daily walks, can significantly improve your mental and consequently physical health. 5. Overexercising. Yes, there's such a thing as too much exercise. While staying active is crucial, overdoing it without proper rest can lead to injuries, burnout, and even hormonal imbalances. Listening to your body and incorporating rest days into your fitness routine is essential for sustainable health. 6. Avoiding regular checkups. Many of us feel too healthy to need a doctor's visit. However, regular checkups and screenings can catch potential health issues early when they're most treatable. Don't wait for symptoms to appear before seeing a healthcare provider. Conclusion. Avoiding these common mistakes can significantly impact your health for the better. Remember, it's the small daily habits that add up to a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and please, if you learned something new today, hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful content. Let's all make better choices for our health every day.